everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Peter. Welcome, Peter. Welcome. Always a pleasure, Peter. Welcome. Welcome. All right, guys. All right. Equity markets was up today again. So markets were down yesterday, but recovered nicely today. All right. So that's great news. Let's take a look at big picture. Then we'll go over the individual systems. All right. Hey, TJ, welcome, TJ. Welcome, welcome. All right. All right. Big picture. All right, guys. So here is the Dow. Here is the Dow big picture here. All right. So here is the all-time high. So we're still above the all-time high. Here was the previous all-time high. Right. Big candle here, broke resistance, weekly time frame. This is today's price action. All right. Hey, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Welcome. All right.
Hello.
So hello, hello. So we're in new territory, guys. Brand new territory for the Dow. All right. So this is a historic move. All right. All-time highs on the Dow. All right. Weekly time frame. That's a big deal. All right. Nasdaq. All right. We have a buy signal again. This is on the weekly time frame, guys. So big picture. All-time highs on the Nasdaq is right here. So we're a bit away from that on the Nasdaq. All right, but still good price action. You guys know we've been sending out picks for technology stocks. Okay. So Christmas rally definitely on the way here. The S&P all-time high here on the S&P, and we're very close, guys. Very, very close to breaking the all-time high, and that's how close we are right here to breaking the all-time high on the S&P. All right. All these indexes have buy signals on the weekly, not just the daily time frame, guys. The weekly time frame also. All right. Russell, right? Russell finally gave a buy signal right here. Right here. Big candle right here last week. And here it is breaking resistance here. Now, Russell is quite a bit away. All-time high is all the way up here. All right. So, but it's good that the Russell is getting out of this area consolidation right here between support and resistance. So that's really, really good price action. All right. Dollar. All right, big picture on the dollar. Dollar is coming down. All right. So big picture, dollar, right? As the equity markets move higher, we should see the dollar move lower. That's what's been happening. We have really big support right here. So we'll see how the dollar reacts, right, to support right here. All right. If it breaks that support, next area of big support is over here and then down here. All right. All right. Good news. All right. Had some selling yesterday, but market um, recovered well today. Okay. Um, on the daily time frame. So buy signal on the Dow right here. Buy signal nicely in the markup phase on the Dow. All right. Nasdaq, same thing here. Again, daily time frame. Russell. All right. And the S&P right here. We don't have any support and resistance current. So nicely in the markup phase, nothing to do. VIX is holding at 1365. All the sectors are down here. I mean, up. All the sectors are up except for energy is down. All right. So we've changed everything now, guys. All we're doing now is we were adding technology and communication services. Now we're basically all the sectors, we're sending out picks for those. Okay, so great price action in the equity markets. Just remember, energy is going down. You guys should see a good dip in gas prices. Okay, let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in um, Monster Scalper for Forex. Okay, Monster Scalper long positions. All right, long positions. Now, Forex has been consolidating a bit. All right. So just be aware of that. Um, we'll take a quick look at futures also. All right. EURPLN. All right. Buy signal here. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback here. I would say just keep an eye on it. The target on this one here, we do need some help here with the market, right, to recover from this. All right. A bit of a pullback here. Here's your markdown phase. Markdown phase. Let's move it here. All right. Markdown phase right here. Here's your markup phase. All right, here's your markup phase here. Buy signal here. Buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. We just need these white candles to recapture, right, the trend line here and continue to move higher. Just keep an eye on that. All right, EURPLN. All right, EURSGD. All right, holding fine. Markdown phase right here. Markdown phase. Markup phase. Buy signal. Right, a lot of consolidation, but it keeps moving higher. Made a nice move higher here. Retrace here. Right, close right at that resistance here. Target is right here. Hopefully, it will break through that resistance, but just continue to hold. EURSGD. EURTRY. All right, that's breaking through that resistance. Nice markdown phase. Here's your V right here. All right, buy signal was here. All green candles broke through the first resistance area, moving up nicely. All green candles following that trend line up. All right, nothing to do there. EUR USD. All right, not a good trade going here. Good markdown phase. Here is your V. Buy signal here. Trading right at resistance, guys, right here. All right. Looks like it wants to break through that resistance. No white candles, no red candles. Just let it go. All right. So hopefully overnight it breaks through that resistance. Just remember, we're trading on the 240-minute time frame. All right. Great. If you've missed this trade on the 240, all right, you can bring in your time frames, your smaller time frames, and your 15, 5, 15, 30, 60 minute, and you can look for opportunities to get in on your smaller time frames. On the 240, it's gone. So do not chase it. Buy signal was here, it's gone. Okay, but let's say you got in here, right? Got in here, you can certainly add here on the break of this resistance. If it breaks up to the upside, all right, you could scale up the position. Aussie CAD, buy signal here. This one struggled for a bit, all right? Struggled in here. We do have another area of resistance, all right? And it looks like it's getting past that area there, all right? So another area of resistance right here. Price is right here. It keeps moving higher, right? Making higher, higher lows right here. You can see that price action right here, right? Moving up nicely. It does need to get past, keep breaking through resistance, these new levels. Okay, that's Aussie CAD. We do not have a major rotation, guys, so we're just taking what we can, right? Just finding individual trades, no major rotation in Forex. Okay, Aussie dollar, same thing here. Markdown phase, small markdown phase, your markup phase right here. Breaking resistance. Our first target was we had our first buy signal here. First target was here. All right. Now we've moved that up. All right. Move that up. So keep moving it up. All green candles, buy signal here. Good trade going here. All right. So just stay with it. No red candles, no white candles, nothing to do there. All right. New Zealand dollar, same thing. Small markdown phase, buy signal, right? Moving up nicely there. Getting ready to break resistance. See right here, resistance is right here, right? If it breaks through, then we can look for next level higher. Okay, no red candles, no white candles, nothing to do there. New Zealand Swiss got some selling here, so that's closed. So New Zealand Swiss closed that trade. All right, so buy signal was here, came back between support and resistance. A lot of consolidation, right? This is not a good trade at all. We probably should not have sent this out, but a lot of consolidation. We were hoping that it would get past that resistance here. Came back in, closed the trade. Red candle, sell signal. So NZD Swiss closed that trade. All right. All right. So we'll move it there and remove it here. All right. We've got some yen pairs. We got in last night. Um, that wasn't good at all. All right. So the yen is going back down. All right. So euro yen closed that trade. All right. Buy signal here. Red candles close that trade there, and also ZAR yen, same thing. All right. ZAR yen. But we do have some shorts. And we'll take a look at how the shorts are doing. Okay. All right. So be careful going long with the yen. All right. Yen pairs. All right. So those were the long positions. Let's take a look at the short positions. All right. Short positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. All right. So dollar, you guys know we've been shorting the dollar, right? Shorting the dollar. All right. So USD CAD, guys. USD CAD in Monster Scalper short. Sell short signal is here. Great trade going here. Broke support and broke this other support level here today. Right. Yellow support and resistance lines. Just keep an eye on that. All right. That means we're getting higher highs and higher lows. But hey, guess what? It broke through that support. Good markdown phase. So just let it move lower. No green candles, no white candles, no buy to cover signal. Just let it go. All right. So that's dollar CAD, dollar CAD. All right. USD MXN. Sell short signal is here. It's breaking through support. We are low in the markdown phase, but the previous two trades did really, really well. Right here, short here, and short signal here. Trading well. Right. We need to break through that support level here, make another leg down. But just keep in mind, we are low, right? I don't know if it's oversold, but we are low in the markdown phase. So just be careful there. USD SEK, another great trade right here. Broke through support right here. Broke through support. Trading down nicely. We could remove this here now. We'll wait for new support lines. Previous trade, really good short. All right. This was a concern. Taking this short signal here, right? Low in the markdown phase. But guess what? It's paying out. All right. All right. So good job here if you guys took a trade on this. All right. I did hear from some of you today, right? On these short trades. So good job. All right. USD SEK short. Very good. USD NOK. Good short going here, guys. All right. So previous short did really well. This one sell short signal right here, all the way down here. Good short in the dollar. And you guys know the dollar index right here, it keeps moving lower. We have support down here. All right. Currently it's down, right? We have support down here. Hopefully it continues to move lower, and that will help your short trades here in the dollar. All right. So USDN, okay. Good short going. All right. Nothing to do there. Hopefully it breaks through support level here, your purpose support here. Redistribution in the markdown phase. Okay. All right. All right. USD DKK, sell short signal is here. All right. Holding right at support, right? There's a good chance it will follow the other pairs, break through that support, and get another leg down. All right. So nothing to do here, right? Nothing to do here. All right, we looked at dollar CAD, dollar Swiss. All right, good trade here going with dollar Swiss. Here was the previous trade. All right, good short trade. Another short trade here. All right, this is a good example, guys. I know this was tricky when we talked about it. Right, these had already moved down quite a bit. Right, wasn't sure if they would make another leg down. All right, but guess what? Right, they're moving lower. Sell short signal is here. All red candles broke support here today. All right. And it's moving lower. Just let it continue to move lower. It can certainly move lower like this one here. No white candles like this, no green candles, nothing to do. Sell short signal in place. Let it continue to move lower. Lots of pips, guys. Lots of pips in these trades. Okay, so good shorts going in the dollar pairs. Okay, all right. The long side has been tricky, but good shots going there. Forex dominator. Let's take a look at long positions in Forex dominator. We have seen a move in the Aussie pairs. Okay, so all right, so let's take a look here. Aussie pairs. Hey, Betty, welcome. Betty, welcome. All right, so Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD long, Aussie CAD long. All right, in Forex dominator. All right, so here is your V, good markdown. Well, I don't know if it's a good markdown phase, but we've got a markdown phase here. Here is your markup phase, buy signal right here, still holding here, right? We need to break through that resistance. Next level is all the way up here, right? If it can break through, we are getting higher lows here, right? Moving up nicely. All right, we just need to break through. Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD, right? New Zealand CAD, markdown phase, buy signal here, slowly moving higher. All right, so just be patient with it, right? All right, just if you trading it, just on the daily time frame, so you guys know it takes longer, right? So it's not something you trade every day. You put your position in and you just hold it. Okay. All right. So New Zealand CAD holding. EURTRY. All right. That's breaking out, right? Previous trade did really well, right? This one moves slow, right? Buy signal here, all the way up here, and it is breaking through that resistance. Okay, so it's gone past that resistance. We'll remove it. And here's your trend line here. Let's bring that down so we can see. All right, so time this evening, we'll look for additional trades. Okay, EURSEK, good short going here, guys. All right, EURSEK. Sell short signals here finally made it to support. We have a lot of support right here, right? Keep an eye on it. The goal here is for it to break through this support here, and then we have next more support down here, right? But this is a level here where buyers really try to come in here. So, but it's good price action. All right. No support levels by the system, right? We have to draw this in here. All right. So just know that we've got support here. Keep an eye on it if you're trading it. Okay. That is EURSEK. All right. EURSEK. CAD, CAD. All right, JPY, CAD, JPY. We talked about this one last night. All right, sell short signal is here, right? A bit of a pullback, wide candle, but sellers are coming back down, right? Slowly, right here. 1, 2, 3 days of selling coming all the way back down. We need to retest support. All right, if we can retest support down here, good chance we can break through and go to the next level of support. All right, perhaps in this range right here. All right, so nothing to do there. If anyone is in it, just nothing to do. All right, that's CAD yen. Dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. Good short going here. Sell short signal is here. All right, Peter is on here. So we talk about this. Peter calls this the mountain, right? The mountain here. Thanks for being here, Peter. So sell short signal is here. As a matter of fact, guys, big congratulations to Peter. Peter just got approved from his prop to manage money. So to trade, use the prop firm's capital to trade. He's worked hard at it, very, very hard. So big congratulations to you. Good job, buddy. So proud of you, man. So proud of you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good job, buddy. All right. Sell short signal here on dollar yen. All right. Sell short signal is here. Trading down nicely. All green candles. We've got support here. All right. So the target is here. First target. If you're in it, right, you can take some profits if it gets to this area here. And then if it breaks through, next support area is down here. All right. But we've got to get to this area first. Okay. All right. So that's dollar yen, and HKD JPY, same thing here. Sell short signal here, almost identical, right? All right, all green candles, all red candles, nothing to do. We've got support here. So good shorts going. You guys know with Forex Dominator, that's on the daily time frame. So give them time, right, to work out. If they fail, guess what? Close them, get out, look for the next opportunity. All right. Monster Futures. We've got a couple of long positions here in Monster Futures. All right. So we've got which is S&P, right? S&P, all right, E-mini, all right, buy signal here. Here is your V, markdown phase, markup phase, first target. It's gotten past that first target right here. Nothing to do. And the next one is soybean. So there's a soybean trade right here. All right, on Sunday, guys, we'll look to see if we've got more opportunities in futures. All right, but good soybean trade here early. Just need to break through here. Okay, I know we've focused quite a bit on equities. Hey, that's the move right now, right? Equities are moving, right? That's the market right now. Equities. Okay, so but we haven't totally forgotten about these other markets. Okay, all right. Monster US 30, Monster US 30. We had some buying. The market was up, right? We talked about this last night, right? Do not go short, right? Be careful going short, all right? So we haven't, I'd send out any picks on the US 30, right? We talked about do not take this short because we are in the markup phase, right? So do not take any shorts, all right? So only longs. So wait, right? Wait for buyers to come back in and then continue that move higher. So this is our trend here on the US 30, right? So we're in the markup phase, daily time frame on the US 30. I know we don't trade on the daily time frame on the US 30, but this will allow you to stay on the right side of the trade. Okay, so only, all right, only longs, right? We talked about if you wanted to, right, go short. If you do go short, like here, do it on the smaller time frame. All right, there was a decent trade yesterday, short trade right here on the 5-minute time frame. That's about it. All right, so if you're going to go short on the reversals, all right, you have to be quick. Do it on the smaller time frames. Okay, so right now we're just waiting, right, waiting for the next buy signal on the US 30. But guess what? It's a holiday. Christmas is coming up in a few days, right? When is Christmas? Monday? Is it Monday? All right. So expect the market to be light, but as soon as I say that, look what happened, right? Market big down day yesterday, big up day today. So just follow the price action. All right. Equities. All right. Let's take a look at equities. All right. Market was up big today. So let's take a look at stocks in stock boss. Okay. So stocks in stock boss, all this green, right? You guys remember yesterday it was all red. Today it's all green, right? So um, it's amazing how the market will help your position. Okay. All right. So long positions in stock boss, long positions. Well, all right. Now, most of these are technology stocks, right? So technology and communication services. We're going to go through these quickly. If we've got a white candle, all right, white candle, close the trade. Well, no, white candle, we'll stop. Pay attention to it, analyze it. Red candle, close the trade. Sell signal, exit signal by our system here. Close the trade. All right, so we'll go through this quickly. VLRS, right? Good markdown phase, guys. Look at this, right? Good markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal, markup phase, trading up nicely. We want it to continue, move higher, first target all the way up here. All right, so good trade going here. VLRS. All right, AMSC, that's holding fine. ANGI, right? Good markdown phase buy signal, that's holding fine. APPS, that's holding markdown phase buy signal. You guys get it. All right. AUR markdown phase buy signal. Nice break of resistance. I think we've got further resistance here. Oh no, let's bring that in. So we've got next level of resistance all the way up here. Now these are stock boss, so these stocks are under $10, right? So you don't have to trade options on this. You can just trade the underlying asset. Okay, so breaking through resistance, next target here. If it can break through that resistance here, next target, guys, all the way up here. All right, so really good trade going there. AUR. All right, AVPT, buy signal here that's holding. Keep an eye on this one, purple support and resistance here. All right, so just keep an eye, nothing to do there though. All green candles. All right, a BKKT, buy signal is here, right at resistance. Okay, just needs to break out. All right, CLBT, all right, trading right at resistance, buy signal here, wants to break out there. CLSK, buy signal all the way down here, guys. Nice markdown phase, price action all the way up here. Buy signal was at $5, 512, trading at 11.53. Just let it continue to move higher. Next resistance is all the way up here where the previous buy signal failed. Okay, so let's bring that in. So it's gotten past that resistance. Boy, look at that right there. Let's make it here. We'll go right to the high there. Okay, so good trade going there. Certainly could perhaps move higher. We'll see. COMP, buy signal here. Good price action. First target here. Okay, nothing to do. DDD, buy signal here. Trading nicely. Good markdown phase. Good selling. All right, just know that sellers are sitting here. Let's wait it for it to get back up to this area. HD, same thing. Buy signal here. Nice markdown phase. Remember, here's our target here. Here's resistance. Just because it gets to this area doesn't mean we're exiting, right? Watch to see if it can break through resistance here. All right, same thing. FCEL. All right. All right. INDI holding. All right. IREN. Look at that, guys. Big candle came in today. Look at that. Look at that. Big candle buy signal here. Good markdown phase. Almost at its target. All right. All right. Let's see how it reacts here. Hopefully it breaks through. Okay. KIND holding. MGNI holding. NVTS holding. OUST. All right. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. OUST, right at resistance here, looking to break out. All right. All right. All right. Very good. PRCH, guys. PRCH, buy signal was here. Here was our first target, right? Broke through. All right. Moving up nicely. Here is the second target here, right? This trade, guys, started at 96 cents when we got the buy signal, trading at $3.03. Okay, good trade going here. Next target, $3.71. And then we've got targets all the way up. I mean, look at this. Great trade going. So if anyone is in it, just be patient, right? Next target, $8. After that, $18. All right. So good trade going there. PRCH. All right. Great trade. QS holding. All right. RXT holding. No, we had some selling yesterday, so we closed, I think, out of all of these positions, probably three or so, right? But that will happen when with a down day, right? But most of these are holding. UIS, all right, UIS buy signal here, a decent markdown phase right at resistance here, right? So we know sellers are sitting here, guys. Good big candle here today, all right, right here, looking to break through that resistance. If the market is up tomorrow, we should break through. Next target here, and then next target all the way up here. All right, but just walk it up, take your time, stay with the trade. Okay. All right, control your emotions to want to take those profits. Let it run. VIAV, good markdown phase, buy signal here, moving up nicely. First target rare. All right, so where sellers are sitting, resistance right there. Okay. All right. VIAV. WULF, all right, same thing. Markdown phase, buy signal, moving up nicely, still early. AIV, same thing here. Look at this markdown phase. Just remember, guys, right? If we've got a smooth markdown phase like this, really good price action, good chance we'll get really good price action on the way up, all right? All the way up to resistance is what we want, okay? All right. BDN, buy signal here, broke through that first resistance, next resistance, right help here. All green candles, nothing to do. Okay, nothing to do there. BIG, holding. DOUG, right, broke resistance here, next target here. If it gets past this resistance, right, we can add next resistance right about this area here. All right, so these are good trades, guys. Great trades going, good momentum. All right, with the market. Market is helping us. All right. EGHT buy signal is here. All green candles. We need to get to this area here. Nothing to do there. Okay. HNST. Look at HNST. Right. Choppy markdown phase, but that's fine. All right. Buy signal here. Really low buy signal. All right, trading up nicely to resistance here. You might get some consolidation in here, guys. Okay. Just like here, here, a lot of consolidation in here, but let it do its thing. Okay. Don't prejudge, right? Let tell you if it's consolidating the price action you're following right here, real time. Okay. HOUS, all right, trading up nicely to its target there. All right. HPP, right? Broke resistance, gapped up here, strong stock, right? So next target all the way up here. HPP, doing well. All right. ILPT, right? Broke resistance, moving up nicely there. All right. Good range trade, but guess what? It's breaking out of that range there. Okay. MCW, all right. Markdown phase, markup phase, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Okay. All right. NMRK, guys. Now, we could get a pullback, right? We could get a pullback, right? Remember, this is the Christmas rally, right? So, end of December, January, right? That's normally we get some selling, right? End of December into January. But again, just follow the price action. Just because that's a historical, that's what normally happens, right? Doesn't mean that it will, right? But and just let the trade run. Let the trade. I sometimes I don't like to say that we'll get some selling because I don't want to scare you guys out of the trade. Just pay attention to the trade. But guess what? Just be aware that at some point, because these have been running up for quite a bit, right? Quite some time there. So just be aware, right? You can take some profits on the way up. Okay. NMRK trading up nicely there. All right. Open, OPEN. All right. Markdown phase. Here is your V. All right. Here is your V. Markdown phase, buy signal moving up nicely there. Okay. OPIs still early. TV holding. BBD right at resistance, right? Looks like it wants to break through that resistance. We do have, I believe we have another target all the way up here. If it breaks through that, if it breaks the resistance here, guys, all right, if it breaks through this resistance here, we could see this stock move much higher. Okay. Buy signal was here. All right. Holding right here. All right. STKL, right? That's holding. Nice target here. All right. Let it move. Moving up slowly there. AMBP, right? Same thing. Buy signal here. Holding. So that's it for Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. Okay. So these stocks are a bit higher, over $10. All right. So no, these are more expensive, but you can certainly do calls on these. Okay. All right. AAN, good markdown phase, buy signal, moving up nicely there. Okay. All right. ALGM, that's holding. AMBA, right? That's holding. AMB, that broke resistance, right? Good trade going there. BALY, holding. BND, right? BND, buy signal all the way down here, all right? Right near resistance. Good job there. All right. BYON, good markdown phase, buy signal, moving up nicely. Big candle today. All right. CAMT, buy signal here. Notice, guys, we haven't had to change anything, right? Right. Everything is moving higher. CAMT, buy signal here. A bit of a pullback broke out, right? We talked about this one last night. Nice break here. Okay. CERT, holding, right? Nice markdown phase. Look, join, guys, bring in, right? You guys know the ones, those of you we're doing coaching with, all right? I'm looking at your lines, right? Anthony, Michael, we're looking at your lines. All right, we look at your lines. Make sure you guys are drawing your lines. These will help you, right? By doing this, will help you stay in the trade. Okay, CERT, right? Markdown phase, buy signal, moving higher there. All right, C, G, and X, same thing there. Okay. All right, CRDO, that's breaking out, breaking resistance there. That's good. All right, CRUS, right at resistance, wants to break out. CSIQ, good shot going here. CVNA, Cavana, breaking resistance there. Good trade there. All right. CWH, right? Looks good. DOCN looks good. DRVN, that's getting started there. DV, right? Good price action, guys. Good markdown phase. Buy signal, right? You guys get the idea here, right? All right. ENV looks good. ETSY, that's good. EYE looks good. Fiverr, FVRR looks good. GoDaddy, look at GoDaddy, guys, continuing to move higher. Had a big break, big candle here, broke resistance. Our entry was right about here when we called it holding nicely. No support and resistance lines. Just let it move higher, guys. Let it move higher. Okay. GPS, almost identical. Buy signal here, gapped up. All right, all the way up here. We do have new support and resistance lines. So we need that price action to move back up, break through that resistance, make another leg up. Okay. Reaccumulation. Reaccumulation there. HGV, that's holding. HIW, holding. HUBS, that's breaking resistance. All right. All right. IAS, that's holding. ILMN, all right, good markdown phase, guys. Look at that. Really good markdown phase. Buy signal, right? Start. It's a good start in the markup phase. All right, green candles there. Let it run. KTOS looks good. LUV, right? Looks good. MARA broke resistance. Nice break of resistance. Gapped up here. Looks really good. Nice big candles. That's what we want to see. Let's bring in the next target here since it broke through resistance. Next target is right about here. All right. So good price action. Good job here on this stock. MARA. All right. MKSI, right? Target is right here. Buy signal moving up nicely there. Okay. Hold on. Okay. All right. MSTR. MSTR broke resistance, moving up nicely. Look at this. These are areas where we could add, right? Every time it breaks resistance. Okay. Let's bring in a high right here. This one here, let's see what, hopefully it breaks through that resistance. Then we might have to move that time frame to a weekly to find the next levels. Okay, so for right now, we'll leave it. Okay, good trade going here. Okay, all right. P, A, and W, buy signal here, broke resistance. All right, just let it run. PI, all right. All right, buy signal here, holding. Riot, all right, RIOT, buy signal here, trading up nicely near resistance here. RVLV, buy signal here, holding. S, look at S, guys, all right. S, really good trade going here. Buy signal, our entry was right here, all right. Right at 17, 18, trading at 27. Good gap up here. You guys remember this one here. Now, we've been adding these for like, what, 3 months now? Resistance here, all right. Resistance is here. Okay, so it looks like wants to get past resistance there. A lot of consolidation in here. So just be aware of that. Next target all the way up here. Okay, so good trade going here. All right, that's S. We have a few more. And then we'll be done. SBH, all right. All right. Markdown phase, find the ones with the nice markdown phase, guys, where, sellers are, they've sold it off. Now we're coming in. Buy signal here, moving nicely. Next target here. Okay, on SBH. All right. And this one is inexpensive, right? $13 now. SDGB, right? Holding. SLAB, holding. Snap, look at Snap, guys, continuing to move higher. SNAP, buy signal all the way up here. First target was down here, right? It got past that target, right? Got through the second target, right? Got through the second target here, right? Third target is all the way up here, all right? So let it run. Let it run. Snow, another one here. Snow breaking resistance right here. We have strong resistance here, guys. Purple support and resistance. Just keep an eye on it, okay? All green candles, nothing to do, but keep an eye on it. STNE, another one here. Buy signal here, all right? First target, and then we've got another target right here. It's close to that target, all right? Some of these stocks, guys, just like the Dow broke the resistance, right, at all-time highs now, you'll find that some of these stocks, right, will make all-time highs. So you will have new resistance levels, right? Well, you won't have any resistance levels, right? So if it's all-time highs, it's it can go much higher. All right. So just be aware of that. We're in new territory right now for stocks, which is good. We've been waiting. Well, we haven't been waiting for this, but it's good when it happens. All right. SWI, buy signal here, breaking resistance, big candle here. All right. All right. If you guys want to some of these where they've really moved, in your stock boss, bull master, you have your smaller time frame. So look for opportunities on your 30-minute, 60-minute, right? Even your 15-minute time frame. Look for opportunities to go long. Don't chase them on the daily time frame. All right. Even the 240, you can find some opportunities. Right. Only long in the direction. All right. But just all right, no puts, no puts right now. All right, all right, you moving up nicely there. Hold on. ULTA, good buy signal here, gapped up, holding right here. Next target right over here. ULTA. All right. VRNT holding. VSAT holding. W holding, nice move right here. to resistance, just know we've got some not strong resistance, but we know sellers are here, here, and here, pushing up higher there. All right, so good chance. Hopefully, it breaks through. WBA trading up nicely there. WCC almost at its target. All right. WOLF that looks good. WCC that looks good. Oh, we did that already. And ZI, right? ZI early right here. All right. So guys, good price action. Um, if you guys notice, a lot of these are starting to get to their um, first resistance levels. Some of them get into their second resistance levels, all right, or targets. Okay, so um, that's how it works, right? But we do need the equity markets to continue to move higher. All right. Um, hey, Saga, you coming in right at the end, buddy. Welcome, Saga. Welcome. All right. So really good price action. Market is healthy. All right. Like I said, you know, keep an eye on your trades. All right. We'll see if it holds. What we'll do is if it gets to the point where sellers are coming in, right? What we would like to see, if we get a down day, right? We would like to see a down couple of the buyers come back in like they did today. All right. If we start to see gradual selling, we'll move our time frames here from the daily to the 240, probably even the 60-minute time frame. All right. So we get out. We get out early, right? What we don't want to do is give back profits. Okay. Now the system will help us with a lot of these white candles. We'll analyze them, right? We won't wait, close them, take those profits off the table, right? Right. A lot of times with this, we don't wait for a red candle. All right. So just be aware. Just be aware of that. All right. Market's been moving. Now, if you guys look here, and I'll end with this. If you guys look here, I know we've been adding for months now, 3 months, right? But this is on the weekly time frame. This move here on the Dow on the weekly time frame, this is an early move. This is the first week, right? This is it, the Dow just broke last week, right? And broke the all-time highs. So I know when we end the trade, it looks like they've been running for a long time, but this is the first week that the Dow, right? Last week was the first week. We're in the second week where it broke through these resistance levels. And you guys know, right, when these markets, right, even the stocks, when they broke through these resistance levels, right, they can run up for a while. So just because we have some seasonality, right? And we anticipate a pullback, that doesn't mean that's what will happen. We have to follow the price action, right? I mean, everyone's been talking about, hey, market's gonna crash, and we've been saying, hey, don't pay attention to what's being said out there. All right, market isn't crashing. The market isn't crashing. So if you're shorting, all right, and we've got Peter on here. Peter is experienced, right? Peter has been here, he's been experienced. He knows how you can get squeezed, right? Right. So guess what? Right? Market is very, 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 very bullish. So just, just anything can happen. We know that, but the direction is up, direction is long. We've seen a lot of good price action. All right. So if anything change, we do this every evening. So if sellers come in, we'll see that first on the smaller time frames. Okay, so just good market, healthy market based on the price action. We're breaking through, making all-time highs. All right, you'll find more traders, more individuals. We start to come into the market, push your trade higher. That's what we want. We want to buy low, right? Buy in that markdown phase, right? Coming out of that markdown phase. All right. Let me show you guys here, and then we'll be done. All right, we'll be done. Okay, so here, I'm just gonna pick one here. All right, right. We want to buy in, and we want those buyers, right, to push that price over, right? Push, break through that first level, push our price higher, get to that second level, all right? And then at some point, right, they'll start selling, and we'll get out. Okay, so good trades going. On Sunday, we'll take a look at futures. Right, we have so much going on, guys. We have a lot going on, so I can't get to every market. All right, it's just a lot of information to get through in 1 hour. But equities, we need to pay attention to equities. Really pay attention to equities. Even if you do not trade equities, boy, you're missing an opportunity here, because they're moving. They're moving. So, all right. So just be aware of that. All right. It's not what we want. It's the market that's moving. All right. So all right. All right, guys. Take care. Take care. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on Sunday before Christmas. All right. And we'll go over, we probably won't go over equities. We'll probably do Forex and futures on Sunday. All right. If I don't see you guys, have a great holiday. Have a great Christmas. Okay. Peter, thank you for coming. Always great to see Peter. And again, congratulations, Peter. Congratulations.
Thank
Um,
you. Thank you.
yeah, I know it's not easy, right, to get approved from by a prop firm, and you've worked very, very hard, long. So good job. All right, good job. We are happy for your success, buddy. We are happy for you. Okay. All right. All right, guys. Take care. I'll see you guys later. See you guys on Sunday. Take care. Bye bye.